What's going on, you guys? So this is my supercharged 2004 Infiniti G35 that I manual swapped about 2 years ago. And today I wanted to wire the reverse lights because when you do these swaps from auto to manual, the automatic tranny usually controls all that stuff. So we don't have that once we remove it and put in a manual transmission in here. So we kind of have to do some manual wiring. So first things first, what you're going to need is about 12 feet of wire. You're gonna run them from your sensor all the way up to your relay here. And essentially you do wanna tape them up in either friction tape or electrical tape, whatever you choose that is insulated enough from the elements. And I chose actually to do some taping and actually wrap them up in the plastic little tubes here. And yeah, that is exactly my harness here that is running all the way down there, and it's away from the cat, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fine there with the heat and stuff. So you also need a pigtail that plugs into the reverse switch on the transmission. Those are about $8 at Concept C. And yeah, they are pretty affordable. And if you don't have the sensor either, I'm pretty sure they sell it too. So here's how it works. So what we do is we take this guy out of here. You can lift this up. I'm not gonna do it already because I already finished the wiring and everything. And what you do is lift this up. You can actually set it right here, and it should give you enough room for you to do the wiring here. And conveniently enough, there is a little tab here that you can also flip, and it lets you pop this guy out of there. So there is about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 wires, I believe. 2 of them are yellow and red. Those are the 2 that you want to cut one of and wire it to one side of the sensor. Now there's another purple wire here. That purple wire goes to the reverse light, so you do want to splice into that one and run it to the other side of the sensor. So what I did is I didn't really splice them. I just cut them both, and I just basically ran the wiring to the sensors, and it worked. So it actually works perfectly because when the key is on the ignition, you have to have it on the start or on the ignition phase of it, so that way the reverse lights work. So if you have it on accessories, they actually don't work. So that is pretty good, because when you leave these cars parked, a lot of you like to leave them on reverse, and I don't do that. I leave mine in first. But if you do leave your car on reverse whenever you park it, the lights won't be on, which is good. So there you have it, guys. This is basically all you need to do to wire your reverse lights on your manual swap G35. If you have any questions about this car or the process or anything, please do leave it in the comments. Let me know. I would love to answer your questions. And what I'm gonna do now is just post some footage of the reverse lights working. Enjoy.